Let me catch the fish. Dang it, I went too slow again. Alright.
Where'd the fish go? Why'd the fish disappear?
I'm getting sucked in. Help. Alright.
Actually, stop your messing.
You got the mouth. You got the lure in my mouth. Give me this.
I got it. Here, I'll feed it to you. I'll feed it to you. Nom noms. Here you go.
Yummy.
What the fuck?
You get a surprise now. You get a surprise.
Ooh, what's surprise? Rod down.
Here.
Ooh. Oh. I don't know. I didn't get a fish. I got a license plate. I got a license plate.
I want to eat it.
It says,
oh shit, never mind.
Here, I'm over the way. It looks like something's a little fishy.
Oh, catch myself a good catfish.
It looks like something's a little fishy.
I need to sell this.
You can sell these things too. I got like a 50 for that.
He's a beetle.
Oh yeah, I see the little guy. Is that the little? Oh yeah.
Wait, I need to use a different fishing spot.
Yes, get on the lily pad. You're a frog. Yo, I'm gonna cast my line onto your forehead, okay? That didn't work at all. I'm just gonna do it from there. Are you standing up or sitting down?
Stand it!
I'm sitting down. I just wanna enjoy this. I only cut once out of that. Alright, I got one.
I'm gonna cut my ball.
No, don't cut your balls! Oh my god, you need to get back up here. You need to get back up here. Get back.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a seahorse. Sweet. Those aren't that rare. Wait, what bait do you use? What bait do you use?
I use fly. I use this blue fly. Catch some big old monkeys.
I need to go back to my OG fishing spot. Okay.
What do you
I'm
want
gonna sit down, my legs are tired.
Oh my god, I just got 2,000.
Pew 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 pew. Oh shit.
Oh, it's a license plate.
What's up with you license plate?
I don't know, but I'm gonna throw this one back. You know, no, I'm not. If I can get anything out of it, I'm going to do that. I'm gonna get up and come over there too.
Pussy.
Chill.
No, like a pussy cat. Have you heard that song?
What? You know sea lions are like seals.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
And you know that lion's a lion? Oh shit!
Help! Help! Yeah.
Oh, I think I got a big one. No, I got one.
I fell off the lily pad. Oh,
bruh!
Wait,
I'm eating this.
What the hell was happened to him? He like got stretched out.
I know, that's what it says to you, and I don't complain. Freak.
Look at Goober on my head. Oh, frick. Wrong fish. I do have to eat now, though.
I need salmon! Salmon! Look at this dude. Kind of looks like you.
Is he screaming? Yes, he is. Tasty.
I was kissing your butt while you're like this.